how to diagnose and replace the parking sensor in your Cadillac Escalade EXT and Chevy Avalanche. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So we have the service parking assist light. So let's go out and check out the sensors. So there's 4 sensors that control the parking assist. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to check these to find out what's going on and see if any of them are bad. The Escalade is on a flat level surface, but I'm still going to put blocks on the wheels because we need to put it in reverse and I don't want it to roll anywhere. Okay, so now I'm not going to start the car. I'm just going to turn the key to the on position right here. See the radio's turning on. Still have the service park assist light. So now I'm going to put it in reverse. And as you can see, the camera's on. And now we can check the sensors. Now you can check them by touching them and feeling for a pulse or putting your ear really close to it and trying to see if you can hear it. But the way that I found that works better, it gives you a super clear indication of whether it's working or not, is to use your cell phone. So that's what I'm going to do now. Take your cell phone, put it in video record mode, and record each sensor. After you've recorded it, listen to the playback. You'll clearly be able to hear which one isn't working. Sensor number 1. Sensor number 2. Sensor number 3. And sensor number 4. Sensor number 1. Sensor number 2. Sensor number 3. And sensor number 4. So we didn't hear anything from the 3rd sensor, so that means that this is the one that's bad. So I'm going to change it. First thing you need to remember to do, go over to the inside, put it back in park, remove the key. Now I'm going to go underneath here and remove the 3rd sensor. So this is the sensor that I need to remove. Just going to pry on the clips and try to push it out. Getting it out was pretty simple. I just had to push up here and push down here while pushing it through the bumper from the outside. It popped right out. Okay, now I have the sensor out of its location. So I just need to press the tab and pull out the sensor. So I actually did this test several days ago, and I knew that this sensor was bad, so I went ahead and ordered a new one, and here it is. So let's get this into the Escalade. Got the sensor snapped into the connector. Now I'm just going to push it into the housing. The new sensor is snapped in. So now let's remove the blocks and test it out. Okay, no park assist light, so that's a good sign. Let's put it in reverse and see if it works. You hear it beeping? It is now working. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.